You've alluded to petitions, other petitions.
Okay. Yes, Chairman, I'm a practicing lawyer. I know that there is a case in Kisumu where a petitioner has alleged, filed a case, and I think the National Assembly is a party to that suit, that he had filed a petition on, I think, around 25th of October, and the same petition has not seen the light of day. But because it is something that is live in court, I better just say that. And that is why we asked for that question. Give us a list. And Chairman, lastly, the clerk can very well also answer that there is no other petitions. The question would have been answered. But the clerk has gone mute. And under Access to Information Act, it is important that that question is answered when there's a request. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Council. Thank you, everybody, even petitioners. Just be patient. We will take about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll come back with our decision on how we are to proceed from here.